Retail arbitrage sucks. Retail arbitrage is trash. Retail arbitrage is dead, and retail arbitrage is a dumb business model. I said it. I don't care. It's the worst business model on Amazon FBA. And if you disagree, you can dislike this video. I really don't care. But today we are going to tell the truth. If you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon FBA. I've helped hundreds of people becoming six-figure sellers. So if you want more videos like these, if you want more tutorials, because I have a ton of tutorials, subscribe and like this video to be able to see more of them. All right. So as I said, retail arbitrage is really dumb, and I'm going to tell you why in today's video, why you should actually stay away from it, and why you should move to the superior business model, which is online arbitrage, as soon as possible. Because yes, retail arbitrage can help you get your first step and flip your first few dollars on Amazon, but you should move to the best business model, which is online arbitrage. And the real reason why I'm making this video is because there's a lot of people that fall in love with the hustle, but like your goal in life should not be hustling and driving store to store. Okay, it's a really dumb way to think about business. And like, because I've seen some people saying, oh, all you do is staying in front of your computer like a geek and buying and selling product. I'm on the I'm outside and all that stuff, like, and you're getting fat in front of your computer. Like, do you think that I'm running a business to try to get fit? If I want to get fit, I go to the fucking gym. That's it, okay? Yes, I work in front of my computer and I can delegate a lot of stuff because I do online arbitrage. So the reason why retail arbitrage is a really dumb model to try to run at scale is because you are going to shot a lot of shots in the dark, okay? Because the main thing that you need to be able to forecast and that you need to be able to understand to make sure that your product do not actually tank is how a product going on sale is going to affect the supply of this product on Amazon, right? Because if a listing gets flooded by new offer on Amazon, the price is going to tank for sure. It does not matter how fast it is selling. If it is getting flooded, the price is going to tank, okay? And you see that happening a lot with products that people get at retail arbitrage. And you really need to think that the skills that you need to be a successful retail arbitrage seller is like, it's a really low skill business model, okay? And so you just need, you can literally brute force your way into scanning clearance stores and finding profitable products, okay? Finding profitable products to sell on Amazon. The truth is that once you reach a certain point, you know, like you're going to scan a lot of stuff, but you're never going to be able to find enough product to actually scale and avoid price tanking. As I said, the best skill that you can have with when you actually sell stuff online and when you sell stuff on Amazon is being able to forecast how a sale, how a clearance, how a product going on sale is going to affect the supply for this product on Amazon, and then how it is going to affect the price potentially tanking, okay? So, for example, if you do online arbitrage, if you buy something at Walmart, it is way more likely that the product is going to tank because you know that a lot of people are actually sourcing at Walmart, okay? And if it's a product that you can find easily on Walmart.com by using tactical arbitrage, there's a 95% chance that this product goes, that this product tanks, actually, right? So the thing is that with retail arbitrage, most people actually source at stores like discount stores like Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. And the truth is that you are actually shooting your shot in the dark. You do not know if the price is going to tank or not. The reason why you do not know this is because, you know, and I told you a little bit about the strategy on how you should actually go and source Ross. And so Ross brings their new products in stock every Tuesday, okay? So Tuesdays are the days where they put new items in stock, okay? And so you need to know a little bit the stores around you to know where you actually need to source all that stuff to find the best stores, because all stores are not going to be served at the same time. Like usually, for example, if you are in Miami, you know, because I live in Miami, and so where our source is in Miami most of the time. And so if you're in Miami, Dolphin Mall is going to be the first store to be served with new products, okay? So the new products, the first place where you're going to see the new products is one, because there's two Ross in Dolphin Mall. And the Ross, you know, there's two Ross. There's one Ross that you can enter from outside, and then there's one Ross that you cannot enter from outside. The one you can enter from outside is actually the one that has the product first, okay? And you need to know that shit if you do retail arbitrage, right? But The reason why I'm telling you this is because when a product comes in stock, you do not know how big the supply for this product is going to be site-wide. Because how stores work is that they buy products from stores that actually went out of business, or like overstock, all that stuff. And so it is quite hard to determine the supplies for that is going to be available for those products. Okay, and so you may find a product, okay, on that Tuesday that it's your store first. Okay, you might find in once, twice, 2 units, 3 units of a really good product. But what you don't know is that tomorrow or the day after that, it is 100% possible that Ross stores all around the country start to get flooded with this item. There's no way for you to know for sure exactly this. And so this is why a lot of your products, like you cannot really determine if your products are going to tank or not. And because of that, you're going to have a ton of tanking product. It's going to be super hard for you to determine the supply of this product, and so to determine if the price is going to tank or not. Okay, if you are going to see 5,000 new sellers on this listing, and of course I'm exaggerating, but you get what I mean. You do not know if you are going to have 100 new sellers, or if this product is going to be a product that is going to be able, you're only going to be able to find 1 or 2 units per store, and that is not going to be available at every single store. And I had that happening to me a lot when doing retail arbitrage, but that's part of the game. You buy a lot of units, and you find the product on a random Tuesday that just got in stock that you've never seen at any other Ross, and so the next day, the day after this, and even the day after this, you start seeing this product, like you start seeing 20 units per store. And so when you see that happening, you know that okay, this product is going to tank, and so it may be time to actually like, let's not buy some more because it is going to tank. And you're going to see this over and over again, and especially with toys and with clothing, you see that happening sometimes, but you see this with pretty much everything. And really, the name of the game with retail arbitrage is really that you need to know in the loop. You need to be in the loop. You need to source fast and send this stuff fast and hope that it does not get flooded. Okay, it does not get flooded. The supply does not get flooded. And because of that, this is really hard to run at scale, because you are just going to buy a ton of units, and a lot of them are going to tank, and it really sucks. So the great thing with online arbitrage is that it gets easier and easier to determine that the more you sell. Okay, for example, not only if we talk about replans, and of course this is going to be true. This is going to be true for products that sells that you buy at discount stores, at discount stores such as Ross, such as Marshall, such as TJ Maxx. This is where you are really going to see that stuff, right? Now, with online arbitrage, it is going to be like one of the biggest skills that you need to develop is being able to determine how the supply of a product is going to be affected based on where the product goes on sale. And sometimes, in some rare cases, and I'm going to tell you to give you an example for a specific product. So there's that product that is doing pretty good every single year, which is the Black Girl sunscreen, right? And so me and some friends actually bought this product last summer when it went on sale at Walgreens, okay? And usually when products goes on sale at Walgreens, so it's a product that you were not able to find you doing tactical arbitrage or tactical expander, because the product was not getting pulled. And so the price did not tank at first, okay? The price did not tank at first, the supply was pretty good. The thing that we did not know is that, like, a few days after that, or was it a few days or a few weeks, like maybe one week to 10 days after that, the product went on sale at Ulta, in the Ulta sales. And so the thing is that Ulta, and at that time, I'm not sourcing Ulta anymore, but like at that time, Ulta started to get really saturated. So products from Ulta tanked super fast, because the number of new offers for products that were on sale at Ulta always skyrocketed, okay? And so we knew that the sale from Walgreens was not going to tank, okay? When a sale is on Walgreens, usually the stuff does not tank, especially if it does not get pulled by tactical arbitrage and all that stuff, the sale is not going to tank. But since we know that sales from Ulta actually tanks, and so we knew that it was time to get rid of this product as fast as possible, because the price was going to tank, and this is stuff that you cannot necessarily determine, but like if you source from one specific website and a product is only on sale on one website and no black swan event, it's not a black swan event, but you get what I'm saying, if no events such as this one happen, you'll be great. It's one of the best thing about online arbitrage, because you start to understand websites, you start to understand the supply when product goes on sale on certain website, the supply available, how long the sales are going to last, and how a website having a product on sale is going to affect the supply on Amazon. This is one of the big skills that you need to develop, and this is one of the big thing that this is one of the competitive advantage that and this is the skill gap. You want to get into business where there's a skill gap, and that is not necessarily super easy to run at the beginning. Okay, I've been teaching Amazon, selling on Amazon, doing online arbitrage for more than a year now, a little bit over a year, and people that were here last year, like at this time last year, a lot of them have given up because it is not easy. Okay, I'm giving you all the answer, but even if I'm giving you all the answer, it's not easy. You need to put in a lot of work, and you need to get some experience. A lot of people give up. Okay, and this is actually good. Okay, because with retail arbitrage, it's pretty easy, and people will give up. I've seen a lot of people that I was tracking their storefront. I was tracking the storefront of a lot of people, and I've seen, I've seen them giving up because there's no more ASINs on their store. And funny story, in Miami, actually, at Dolphin Mall, I remember there was that lady, and if you watch my video, I don't think you'll be watching my video because you've given up on this business because you suck. I'm sorry to tell you, you suck at this business. So there was that lady with her mom that were scanning in stores, and they were choosing really bad products. And I was looking at their cart, because when you see other sellers, you try to look at what was in their cart. And I remember they had 2 full carts of products with a lot of trash products. And so I was scanning, and my girl was already at the register, but I was just, walking around trying to see a few more products, because it was close to back to school, and I wanted to see quickly what was in the backpack aisle. And so I started, I walked quickly, I scanned something, I checked quickly, and I walked past them, and because they were scanning everything in that aisle, and choosing a lot of bad product, by the way. And so, and I should tell you that, so I should make a whole story about that video. I should make a whole video about that story, by the way. And so, I was actually walking past them, and so they started speaking in Spanish and calling me names and saying, he's an Amazon seller, so doing all that stuff. And I'm still not super known in the community, but I was not known at all at the time. I was not making videos and stuff. And so they started insulting me and saying, oh, he's dumb, all that stuff, he's killing all those products. Funny story. And not one of the products that they actually chose was actually making money. It was really bad products if you actually knew how to analyze the keeper graph and all that stuff. And they actually stopped. I still have their storefronts safe because I was able to find them based on the trashiest product that they actually purchased, that I saw them purchasing. And they're not selling on Amazon anymore, okay? Because what you're going to see is that there's a lot of products that when you actually try to scale retail arbitrage, it's quite hard, because a lot of products that you buy are going to tank because of this, because you're taking a lot of shots in the dark, okay? And like if you see people like this in stores scanning, do not insult them, because this is going, especially if it's me, because it's going to go back against you, okay? You are really dumb, your business failed, and you're still at the same point, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much why retail arbitrage sucks. Go to online arbitrage, it's the better business model. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you want to keep learning about selling on Amazon, decide, I'm sorry. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.